Verdict, we the jury find George Zimmerman not guilty. So say we all four-person.
Does either side want to poll the jury?
We would, Your Honor.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, ladies, I'm sorry. As your juror number is being called, please answer whether this is your verdict.
Juror B, 21, is this your verdict?
Yes.
Juror B, 76, is this your verdict?
Yes.
Juror B.
All right, I understand that we are now able to hear from Angela Corey. Let's take her comments live right now.
Who put their lives on hold and with me accepted the governor's assignment to take on this difficult investigation and this difficult case. And I'm so proud to stand here with them and to be part of the historical aspect of this case to show that the American justice system can and should only be done in a court of law. I don't believe it helps anyone for us to be out espousing opinions about our cases. And I think, as you see, we put this case in front of a jury, and that leads me to thanking the jury for the 16 hours of deliberation that they took to go over all of the facts and circumstances. What we always believed was that this was a case of details that had to be analyzed very, very carefully. I never could quite understand people, even people with law degrees, who had not read all of the police reports, who had not read all of the witness statements, yet who came up with opinions one way or the other. And this team of people standing with me, who stand with me every day in the Fourth Circuit and try tough cases like this all the time, knew that we had to do the best to get the entire facts and details of this case out and before a jury. I think this jury worked very hard. We honor them for their service. Judge Nelson worked very hard. We want her to know that we appreciate all that she did to keep this case on course. And of course, our hearts, as always, go out to our victims' family and to all victims of crime. But as long as they know that there will always be prosecutors fighting for the truth, I think that victims will continue to rely on this justice system. I'll turn it over. Bernie, would you like to say a few words?
I want to thank you all for respecting our privacy. I am disappointed, as we are with the verdict, but we accept it. We live in a great country that has a great criminal justice system. It is not perfect, but it's the best in the world, and we respect the jury's verdict.
John?
I'd also like to thank you for your time and attention that you give in this case. Both sides are deserving of your attention. We have, from the beginning, just prayed for the truth to come out and for peace to be the result, and that continues to be our prayers, and we believe they have been answered.
Rich?
I'd just like to say to the family of the dead teenager Trayvon Martin that I appreciate the way they have handled this matter. They've been dignified, they've showed class, they have kept their pain in check when they needed to, and they have grieved when they needed to. And I think that they have handled it like ladies and gentlemen. It can't have been easy, and it won't be easy, so I ask that, I know y'all have a job to do, but when you approach all that, keep them in mind too. Thank you.
I also want to thank the thousands of people who sent prayers our way, held us in their thoughts throughout this entire process. We got a lot of encouragement from a lot of people. But again, this is something that we do in our circuit. We try a lot of murder cases. We never know what a jury is going to do. We go into every case putting our best case forward and leaving it in their hands, and that's what we did in this case. Is it appropriate to take questions?
Why
Okay.
no charge?
Well,